Hey guys, today we're talking about the software side of the Funmat HT. So one of the questions we get the most is, will my slicer work with the Funmat? And the answer is yes. We've actually used a wide variety of slicers and we haven't come across a single one yet that won't work with the Funmat. It's based on the standard Marlin firmware that you see in a lot of other printers across the industry, so you can use just about any slicer. So we specialize in Simplify 3D, INTAMSYS, and Cura. We sort of switch in between them all because they give slightly different results. Now, if you're new to the space, you're asking, what's a slicer? A slicer is a program that takes any 3D model and turns it into a 3D printable file. Basically, it tells the tool head where to go from line to line as it lays the plastic down. If you want to get into some of the more advanced features, then we've actually spent thousands of hours tuning profiles for all the materials that we specialize in, and we provide those when you buy a printer from us. If you've never 3D printed before and this is all a whole new language for you, then that's all right, because the printer does include its own proprietary slicer called INTAMSYS, and this has all the profiles set up and ready to go for any material you want to print on the machine. So if you're just doing basic parts, INTAMSYS is going to suit all your needs. It'll take your part and you can slice it and it'll be good to go. The fact is, each one of these slicers is going to give you a slightly different geometry for how it lays down each line of the part, and this is just going to give you a little bit different results. We use all these different things to get the best possible result, and this is called tuning. This is the most difficult part of 3D printing, but we're here to help you and support you and make it easy. So go ahead and give us a call and we'll help you customize your support, and we can help guide you through the process of making the correct orientation, the correct support, infill, the angles, every little bit of the process. We can help you with that. Just give us a call or shoot us an email at contact@visionminer.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.